freelancing has emerged as a major career choice for many professionals around the world. With the rise of remote work and the increasing flexibility in how we work, freelancing allows individuals to take control of their schedules, choose their clients, and even set their rates. As we approach 2025, the freelancing landscape continues to evolve, with new platforms emerging and established ones adapting to meet the demands of both freelancers and clients. In this video, we will explore the top 3 freelancing websites you should consider in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just getting started, these platforms provide a great opportunity to showcase your skills and connect with clients. At number 3, we have Fiverr. Fiverr has become one of the largest and most popular freelancing platforms, and it continues to evolve and grow in 2025. Originally, Fiverr gained traction by offering a platform where freelancers could offer services starting at just $5, hence the name. Today, Fiverr offers a much broader range of services, with freelancers offering everything from writing and graphic design to programming, video editing, and even voiceover work. The beauty of Fiverr lies in its simplicity. As a freelancer, you create a profile, list your services, and clients can browse through various categories to find what they need. It's a marketplace that brings together talent from all over the world, allowing clients to choose from thousands of freelancers. Fiverr also has an easy-to-navigate interface, making it simple for both clients and freelancers to interact, set up projects, and handle payments. Fiverr is highly automated, allowing you to spend more time focusing on your craft while it handles much of the administrative work. It offers a secure payment system that protects both freelancers and clients, ensuring that funds are released only when the work is completed and approved. Additionally, Fiverr's algorithm helps match freelancers with clients based on their skill set and experience, making it easier for freelancers to get noticed. However, competition on Fiverr can be fierce. With so many freelancers offering similar services, standing out can be a challenge. This means that it's important to not only offer high-quality work, but also develop a strong personal brand. Crafting compelling gig descriptions, showcasing a portfolio of your best work, and maintaining good client reviews are all key to building a successful Fiverr business. Coming in at number 2, we have Upwork. Upwork is another highly regarded platform for freelancers, known for offering a broader range of job types, including long-term contracts and high-level projects. Unlike Fiverr, where you offer pre-packaged services, Upwork functions more like a traditional job marketplace, where clients post jobs and freelancers submit proposals. Upwork caters to a variety of industries, from tech and writing to marketing, design, customer service, and beyond. What makes Upwork particularly appealing is the variety of job opportunities available. Freelancers can find short-term projects as well as long-term contracts, and there are opportunities for both entry-level workers and highly experienced professionals. This makes it an ideal platform for freelancers at different stages of their careers. Upwork's bidding system allows freelancers to submit proposals for the projects they are interested in. The platform also provides a robust system for building a profile, showcasing your skills and experience, and applying for jobs. Upwork has a reputation for offering well-paying gigs, especially for experienced freelancers, and has a feature called Upwork Pro for top-tier freelancers to be highlighted to clients. One of the challenges of using Upwork is that the platform charges service fees, which range from 20% for the first $500 earned with a client, 10% from $500 to $10,000, and 5% for earnings above $10,000. While this can be a drawback for some freelancers, the ability to find high-quality clients and longer-term work makes Upwork a worthwhile investment for many. In addition to job postings, Upwork offers a range of features to help freelancers manage their work. These include time tracking tools, invoicing, and client communication tools. With Upwork's secure payment system, freelancers can rest assured that they will be paid for their work on time. Upwork also offers a dispute resolution system in case of any disagreements between freelancers and clients. Finally, the number 1 freelancing website for 2025 is Toptal. Toptal stands out from the other freelancing platforms because it's focused on connecting clients with the top 3% of freelance talent in the world. Toptal prides itself on its rigorous screening process, ensuring that only the best freelancers in fields like software development, design, finance, and project management are accepted into the network. As a result, Toptal clients know they're getting access to top-tier talent, and freelancers know they're working with serious, high-paying clients. The screening process for Toptal is thorough and includes multiple stages, such as a language and personality interview, technical skills tests, and a live screening session. Toptal prides itself on working with elite freelancers, which is why the platform offers higher-paying jobs compared to others. Freelancers who are accepted into the network are typically able to command higher rates than they would on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. For experienced freelancers looking for top-tier clients, Toptal provides an unparalleled opportunity. Many of Toptal's clients include large companies, startups, and tech giants, which are willing to pay well for high-quality, specialized skills. The platform's focus on elite freelancers means that competition is less intense compared to other freelancing platforms. You won't have to bid on jobs or compete with a large number of other freelancers. Instead, you'll be matched with clients who value your expertise and are willing to pay top dollar for it. However, gaining access to Toptal is not easy. The screening process is highly competitive, and not everyone will make it through. But if you have a proven track record of excellence in your field, Toptal could be the ideal platform to take your freelancing career to the next level. Once you're accepted, you'll have access to a steady stream of high-quality projects that align with your skills and experience. Toptal also provides strong support for freelancers, including dedicated account managers who assist with job placement and help negotiate contracts. The platform's strict client vetting process ensures that freelancers are only matched with serious professional clients. For freelancers who can pass the rigorous selection process, Toptal offers one of the most rewarding freelancing experiences available. As we wrap up this list, it's clear that each of these platforms has something unique to offer. Fiverr is a great option for freelancers looking to offer specific services and get started quickly, while Upwork provides a wide variety of job opportunities for freelancers at different experience levels. However, for highly skilled professionals seeking elite clients and top-paying projects, Toptal is the clear winner. No matter which platform you choose, freelancing in 2025 offers countless opportunities to build a successful career. The key is to understand your strengths, choose a platform that aligns with your skills, and put in the effort to build a solid portfolio, reputation, and client base. Freelancing allows you to work from anywhere, set your own rates, and pursue projects you're passionate about, making it one of the best ways to achieve financial independence and personal freedom. If you're ready to start freelancing in 2025, make sure to pick the right platform for you and start building your freelance career today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on freelancing, entrepreneurship, and remote work.